Hello everyone, welcome back to Caring Guy. Today we're taking a look at a fun, colorful, and beginner-friendly mini drone, the X20 Mini Drone. This tiny quadcopter is designed for kids, beginners, and anyone who just wants to enjoy flying without complexity. Let's check out what it can do. At first glance, the X20 Mini Drone looks small but eye-catching. It features rotating colorful LED lights, giving it a cool UFO-style appearance, especially at night. With a compact size of just 8.5 by 8 centimeters, it easily fits in your hand or pocket, perfect for indoor play or outdoor fun. The body is made from high-toughness ABS material, designed to be explosive-proof and impact-resistant, so crashes aren't something to worry about. Safety is clearly a priority here. The X20 comes with a full protection design surrounding the propellers to prevent injuries and reduce damage during collisions. This makes it a great choice for kids or first-time drone pilots. Flying the X20 is super simple. With one-click takeoff and landing, you can get airborne in seconds, no experience needed. It also features headless mode, which means you don't have to worry about drone orientation. Just move the joystick and the drone follows your direction. Very beginner-friendly. There's also one-click fine-tuning, helping keep the drone stable during flight. The X20 Mini Drone uses a 2.4 GHz remote control, offering a flight range of about 40 to 50 meters. Multiple people can fly drones at the same time without interference, which is great for group fun. It includes 3 speed modes: low speed for beginners, medium for practice, and high speed for more confident pilots. And yes, it can do 360-degree rolling stunts with just one button. Simple, smooth, and fun every time. The drone is powered by a 3.7-volt 220 mAh battery, giving around 6 minutes of flight time. Charging takes about 60 minutes, which is reasonable for a mini drone of this size. The remote uses 3 AAA batteries, which you'll need to provide yourself. The X20 Mini Drone is ideal for kids and beginners, indoor flying, gift purposes, and anyone looking for a simple, fun RC drone without complicated setup. Overall, the X20 Mini Drone is a great little flying toy with cool lights, easy controls, solid safety features, and fun stunt modes. It's not built for long flights or aerial photography, but for pure fun, it definitely delivers. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video. This is Caring Guy, and I'll see you in the next one.